The eyes of Ghanaian economists are firmly fixed on events in the United States this Thursday. The US Federal Reserve is set to decide whether or not to raise its benchmark interest rate, which has been at record lows, in order to boost the economy following the 2009 financial crisis. Short-term economic prospects in the US do look good, and it could be that an interest rate rise would be encouraged in order to quell any future possibilities of inflation. However, some analysts say it's just too soon. The global markets are still uncertain, especially with the significant slowdown in the Chinese economy. However, here in Ghana, the central bank has taken preemptive action. It raised its own benchmark interest rate by 1% this week. Their concern is that if the interest rates over in the US rise, then investors who previously had their money in developing currencies, especially in investments here in the Ghanaian Cedi, that those investors will put their money back into dollar assets. That would devalue the Ghanaian currency against the dollar, making imports even more expensive, pushing up prices for consumers here. The preemptive action by the Ghanaian Central Bank hopes to somewhat taper the impact of an interest rate rise in the US, quelling any possible inflation that may occur as a result of the local currency going down any further than it already has over the past year. Katerina Vittozzi, CCTV, Accra, Ghana.